Are you guilty of practicing some of the worst driving habits? That means practicing good driving habits and avoiding bad ones. You might think you have control over your vehicle while you're flying down the highway, but all it takes is one sharp turn, one bit of debris in the road, or one unexpected pedestrian crossing the street to turn you into a statistic. Driving the speed limit gives you more lead time to respond to unexpected circumstances on the road. Distractions while driving cause thousands of American deaths each year. In 2020 alone, over 3,000 Americans died as a result of distracted driving. And when you're traveling at high speeds, a lot can happen in the short time your eyes are on your screen. State traffic laws take texting and driving very seriously. If that car brakes unexpectedly, you could hit them. Some drivers will even give tailgaters a brake check by suddenly braking for no reason. You need to stay far enough back that you have time to react to the movement of the car in front of you. Following the 3-second rule will make you a much better driver. It's often necessary to get around slow vehicles or make room for cars to merge. Road rage takes rational people and turns them into aggressive monsters. Over 1/3 of road rage incidents involve at least one driver with a firearm in their vehicle. And road rage results in around 30 murders each year. Don't allow road rage to get the best of you. And don't engage with other road rage drivers. And if you're on the receiving end of a road rager's tantrum, let it go. And you have better things to do than worry about some immature driver. Part of sharing the road is communicating properly with other drivers. Other drivers deserve to know if you intend to turn. The driver behind you can slow down to give you time to turn down a side street. Or the cars around you on the highway can anticipate your lane change and give you space. But once you're safely around the slower traffic, you should move back over into the right lane and keep the left lane clear for other drivers to use as a passing lane, or even for emergency vehicles, which can come up quickly and unexpectedly. Ready to brush up on good driving habits? Enroll in a driver education course today. Thanks for watching.